Hello, and welcome to the BeaverCraft channel. Today we will introduce you to one of the most useful woodworking tools that have been in use since ancient times. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a chisel. But not an ordinary one. This video is about the best wood chisels in 2023. A wood chisel, also called woodworking or wood carving chisel, is a versatile and useful tool all woodworkers use to carve, cut, pare, chip away, and shape wood. There is a wide range of wood chisels. Their number is so big that it can be difficult for a beginner to choose. Chisels may differ in size, blade shape, and purposes. You can use them to carve flat, round, curved, relief, concave, and other designs. No one will gonna limit your imagination. Depending on your woodworking needs, a particular chisel will definitely suit you best and perfectly cope with the task. But how can you define what chisels are the best? Well, let's see. A truly good chisel must be made from proven quality materials and meet the highest production standards. Every detail must be firmly attached to provide maximum safety and reliability. It should be functional, practical, convenient, and have a long-lasting service life. The best wood chisels are always super sharp to ensure effortless cutting. Also, an equally important criterion is the purpose of the chisel and the specific tasks with which it will cope best. So, let's see a number of models representing the best wood chisels on the market in 2023. A flat chisel is a tool with a handle on one side, leading to a straight, flat, and sharp cutting edge on the other side. This chisel type is commonly used to shave and smooth rough surfaces, cut mortises, chop out corners, create details, and give your woodworking projects a neat finish. Basically, gouges look like chisels with curved and bent cutting edges. They are great for carving grooves, shaving, shaping, and working over corners where a flat chisel or a knife can't reach. Gouges have different blade profiles, sweeps, and widths to meet all your carving needs. If you are looking for perfect tools for spoon carving and scooping out wood, wood carving gouges will cope with any task like that. Unlike full-size tools, compact chisels are lightweight, handy, and easy to use on the go. They look like standard chisels of various blade shapes but have a smaller size. They are designed for more maneuverability and intricate woodworking. A compact version of a wood chisel is widely used for fine carving and working on details. Full-size chisels feature a wider blade and a long, sturdy handle. These woodworking tools are used for carving medium or large-size projects, for example, complex relief panels or life-size sculptures. You definitely need to try these chisels if you haven't yet. Their handles are designed to fit comfortably in the palm, allowing for good, controlled cuts. Such chisels are presented in various blade shapes and can perfectly perform in most carving techniques. There is a wide variety of chisels that differ in style, size, width, and bend of the cutting blade and handle lengths. And each of them is used for different applications. These tools can be made from a wide range of materials, including carbon steel, forged steel, chromium vanadium steel, molybdenum steel, and more. The choice is limitless. You may find lots of chisels for every job on the market, so identify which one suits your project best, and enjoy carving. We hope this video will help many carvers, especially those new to wood carving, understand the best wood chisels in 2023.